Well, in this video, we are going to talk about the new Honda CB400F, which will be released for Chinese market only. But before we talk about the new CB400F, let me play our intro. Because I know you will only watch half of the duration of this video, let's make this video as quick as possible. Recently, pictures of the all-new Honda CB400F have been revealed. The new version has been released online, which seems to be different from the current CB500F. But for the engine, it still carries a 2-cylinders inline. If we look closer to the product code that appears on the bike, it will be labeled as WH402, which means Wuyang Honda of China. So it is possible that the all-new Honda CB400F will be developed by Honda from China. But we're not sure if this bike will only sold in China or it will have an opportunity to sell in other countries as a global product. Although if you look at the new CB400F in a superficial way, overall, this bike design may not so different from the current CB500F. But each detail of the headlights has a different design, including the use of different engine code color as well. In terms of the engine specification, the all-new Honda CB400F engine that will come in a 399cc 2-cylinders engine, giving a maximum power of 44 horsepower and able to reach a top speed of 157 km/h. For the suspension, it equipped with telescopic fork at front and monoshock at the rear, and the leg section complete with 17 inches wheel that wrap in the road tires measuring 120/70 at front and 160/60 at the rear. The braking system used disc brake for both front and rear wheel, complete with ABS. That's it.